If you want to enable Ultra Battery Saver, also known as Maximum Power Saving Mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, go to Battery, choose Power Saving, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you'll find Limit Apps and Home Screen. You want to enable this option, and then you can go and turn on the Power Saving mode. And this is the Ultra Battery Saver. We have limited access to apps. We can choose only 8 apps in total. Well, we can choose 4 by ourselves, and 4 of them are already added. As you can see, there are no widgets, no wallpaper, and anything like that. And if you want to exit this mode, we need to tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Turn Off Power Saving. Remember that if you don't want to use the Ultra Battery Saver in the future, just go back to the battery options to power saving and turn off limit apps and home screen option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!